Waire ya mwancho moriria weta seni Ndizi TV nechinga kichindengo kwarigani atwe manyamangana maya asenchera yo wenge nigo cheragire Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabono omubaso na nigo tochi kubwatana nere Joshua uta oyo konyamanya asenchera ibimanyererio nere Abigail Nyanchama nkwene kyenga chibicha amona mariogi agwikira ase enchera engikirano erietariane Dorcas Kemuma. Abaibori nigo babori we kubaikange abana babo ase okubarigereria nabo igo kubakwanira chinga kibare ase omutimo komotambe gose chirusa ase keri nigo abana bange barorekanire gutwara omochando obweke bongo ase bono omo women republic county ya Nairobi Esther Pasaris atebirona nigo abana bange bobante wikwange na gukwanirwa ase engenchoneri nigo ogukwanira kugokonya nonya na abana gosiboka na gukwana ayare abachandete ase obongo kakwana yo nigaringe ase umoyigo yomo bogukwanira gose bogochakia igoro yo kurigereria abana abari babwate muchando boke bongo nigo boyigo aganirie serikali goikange chisukuru na gochisira ase nchere ya moyo kwene kibuna nigo nkorwa bara obokonyi boiseine ase chisukuru chiria chichi community echigo cha twara abana bari babwate obolema obweke bongo nigo boyigo abateruna bagenderera gosira abana abu asengenchoneri na amasomo nigabonete ase abana bonsi.
We found out there was a big need for mental health, and that is definitely my passion. My job is to raise funds to support the awareness here in Kisii and Nyamira. So help is needed. We still need a lot of professionals, psychologists, psychiatrists to help the children in need.
Apart from the creation of awareness, we do a lot of victims advocacy, where we've seen many perpetrators being jailed and being punished for their wrongs of the wrongs that they do to children.
Mental health is real, and we need that space where the children can be able to communicate and talk. We want parents to be a bit more vigilant and observe whatever's going through with your children. Talk to your children at home, and hope that Hakim space can be one day a curriculum that's adopted in our schools. When it comes to sanitary towels, when we're trying to distribute sanitary towels, we want community-based schools, faith-based schools to also be included, because that is a big problem. We focus on public schools. And
Omugavana webengi ya Kenya NN Central Bank of Kenya CBK Dr. Kamau Thuge nigo ritukoria rero aikabosio webunge nene ase aika kwerera inaki esiringi ya Kenya ejogendrete gosigikania ne dola ase bwango iga nigo ya eneki wabuna nigesiringi yo egendrete koira nanse gose kogendera ko Rusia obu yabwaye gocha ase dola ase goikamoniga nige dola egoche kugura bono shilingi emiyemo ne 50 na shilingi 5 na Ibere aiga Kenya asebono aigento kyarorekanire koba omochando nigo boigo tuge airera ayale agendrete gokorekana gosa ayale akogera ase esinge yo konya koira na insekera ankyo nigo boigo agoche gukwanira igoro yebengeri eyokwana na gose igoro yo ekogendera gosabwa gwechibesa aiga akenya ayiboigo aramadeni agendrete kwenekiwa insi ya Kenya nigo tuge boigo amenta goteuna nigo abagoche gosaba amadeni koruchinse egose korwa chibengi cha Kenya aidio koiraribaga udio gosaba amadeni korwa chinse cheisiko asekeringa nigo bako baba wakana baguseba wakanera igoro omono.
more confidence in the economy by those foreign investors. And we have continued to engage those foreign investors. So we think that going forward, that the fact that we have removed that uncertainty about what we are going to do about the Eurobond is going to help mobilize foreign exchange coming into the economy. Second, we are expecting larger inflows from our multilateral development partners, and specifically, for example, we have the IMF, which is coming here actually next week, and from them we expect by December, even according to the ongoing program. We have an ongoing program with the IMF, and based on that program, we expect to get at least $400 million. Now, of course, we have engaged with them and told them we need extra funds, so that will be part of the discussion. How much we'll get, I don't know, but that is an issue on the table for further discussions. Similarly, we are talking with the World Bank. We are agreeing on some reforms of 2 to 3 year reforms under the development policy operation. And so therefore we expect we are expecting 750 million, that is public knowledge, to be dispersed by March of next year. Again, we have engaged with them to see whether they can, there's room for additional financing. They have said this discussion we can also put on the table. And then finally, again, we'll be having the 6th review of the IMF in June of next year, and from that we should get another disbursement of roughly 530 million. So over the next few months, we'll be expecting to get quite a significant amount of concessional resources. And I don't want maybe Kenyans to think, oh, this is piling debt on top of debt. This is actually replacing expensive debt with cheaper debt, and especially domestic expensive debt will be replacing with cheaper external
Eke gambiro kia keroka ni gobono gia twara chinga kichinkong ase okogendereria ekine kyo kegetwe ebosi weke gambire kyo amo na stova Christopher barare Amayia yo weke kine kyo ni gobono atanya wika ase ekigambire kyo ase chintunda isato egento kya babera akongu kogendereria ekine kyo ni gobono akine gose Amayia yabarare gutwara obwegenu saine buna omochaji obwate kinekyo nachiko kenacha asenchera gose yogotanchireria nigobono ekinekyo kerachi gosukiwa amotu gose nigobono kerachiko kogendereriwa gose goikigwa ekigamberekyo riase entunda yende chitariki 30 chomotenyo yoiga asebono barachi korwa ngakike gochiko gamba gose kiko chiko gendererwa emo yorero mo wakiri Justus Maenche oyo oko wakilisha Nyambega gisesa ayomo ase kinekyo wanatebna nigo mochajo yo arachikorwa ruling chitariki 30 neyemo chomotienye oyo.
Ekineki lerongia cha lera sekot ase okoigwe kanakwe application ya begetwe ne interested party ekoro kwa Christopher barale application yeyo igayala gotebanga judge yegotegerere kineke arwase ekineke gotebekananga oyo kobeke application yagotebanga tabugati imaninga oyona judge yegotegerere kineke nakeruli buya kolende koti gatebanga oyo Christopher achiche koti elindanya ale kweresa igore ya application yeyo obere gagotebi gwache chintunda lero ne ntunda ya gatatu atakeire gochicha na inde tacheti igo application yeyo tenyale tikoigwekana intubune petitioner ntwatebanga application yeyo etuguterwale esengencho oyo yebegete gwangere goikerane koti unetakeire umujaji gatebanga chitariki 30 neye momotienyoyo gocha kurwale ruling iguru ya application yeyu elinde tone yare kogendera nekina
application for the peace of Ndukanu even deliver it on the 31st.
Etureti yabaga kakorwa asorogongo rwa Central Kenya nigo bono bakureire abantu bali bagenderete kubwatia ebimira biri byaitirwe ne chingaki abaga kabo nigo batebre buna ebimira imbire ase Chinsa cyose chingongo au ebyabantu bagenderete kubwatia anene ebuna ogosara abana abanyaruka egati yebinde nigo batebire bono nigo serikali eganirie imukeri abantu bali bagochi kubwatia agose ebimire byo ebibe gose byaitirwe ne chingaki ekyagera nigo serikali yakanite iguro yogosara abana abanyaruka nigo boigo batebye muna chingaki echiru sa entambe go chigo chaka abana abaligireriwe mono nabo igo otuguterare ebimire byo buyogosara abana abanyaruka negetambukire getindi kubwatigwa
Society, what are the names will be related to the groups? Maybe you can tell us.
Certain groups might infiltrate our cultural heritage by bringing cults that are practicing outlawed cultural practices that they were practiced long time ago, and we are worried that if they are allowed to come here without the permission of the executive of the county and without the council from our Mudamaki, they might come and perform some ceremonies that are actually outlawed by our national government.
The national government administration led by Nyeri County Commissioner to take stringent action to stem that intrusion into our community.
Omokonyi bomurai wense Rigathi Gachagua nigo achakire taro ya bene ase ense ya Belgium abo asago chukoira egeka kya matuko atato kubwatikana no roboti rwabwatogetwe wachase chinyomba chobararia nigo bono ago chukoikirana ase omoyega bwegekaro global gateway forum oyora chikokorekana ase ensemo ya Brussels eyego toka ase ense yo ya Belgium nigo bono korengana no roboti oro nigo bono ekerenge kerene kyo moyego yo igoro yo gotinya agose gukwanira igoro yo gotinya obwamate egati ya European Union amone Chinsa chinde abwase Kenya ere egati yabo bono omukonyi bomurai wense nigago chikoirari bagari murai wense Dr. William Ruto ase egeikaro ekyo nigati yayari ayande bago chikwanira nigo bono murai gose Gachagua arachi kotema korige chiro yekagwa ase ense yo ya Belgium amo na ayande amange na boigo asense moyo basombi egati ye chisemi gose chisemi amo na ayande amange nigo boigara chikumira na abakenya bamenyete asense yo ya Belgium na boigo kwa kukora ase egikare kigose gakora etaro ya esense ya Belgium nigo boigo Gachagua arachikogenda wika asense ya Germany ase arachi boigo kogendereria aigoro oyekemeri gechae gosokonia ekemeri gekawa ase arachi kogendereria ekobonia bwekemeri gekawa osekorigeria abameri abaremi bekawa echiro yekemeri kyo asense yo ya Germany ayina yare egati yari agochigokora ase ense ya Germany na monense ya Belgium boigo nigo arachi kumirana na abakenya bare asenseri ya Germany. Omancho murigeria oyinoro mweri obwa mangana maya asenchera yobwenge kendera korigeria getaseni kya Ndizi TV edi obwemanye amange bunagendrete gwateka nabo tubwatia asensemo ye mitandao asensemeri ya Facebook kotunyora buna Ndizi TV News Digital nabo iga asensemeri ya YouTube okotunyora buna Ndizi TV News editariane Dorcas Kemuma na nigo twabwatana nere Abigail Nyanchama ayone kinga amario gine chivicha agoikire asenchera engekerano.